Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I am about to apply some much needed makeup. I'm going to start with this primer. It is the Professional Primer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I love it so much because I feel like I have big pores, so this just helps minimize it. And it does a really good job at making your makeup last longer, which is definitely a plus. I've been using this for a while, and I am at the very end of the bottle, but I've still got some in here. It kind of looks like this, and it's really easy to apply, and a little bit goes a really long way as well. You can also apply it like to your eyelids if you want your eyeshadow to last a little bit longer, and it feels great. It also smells very nice. So I've got it all on, and now I'm ready for my foundation. So it's super simple to use, it smells really nice, and it'll last you a really long time since a little bit goes a long way. So if you're looking for a really good primer that's also going to help minimize the look of your pores, I highly recommend the Professional from Benefit Cosmetics, and that's my point of view.